So the ingredients list that we're going to be using today, we've got 2 cups and 2/3 of plain flour. We'll be using 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of Greek yogurt, 1 cup of granulated sugar. We'll need 4 eggs, got 1 teaspoon of lime zest, got half a teaspoon of vanilla paste, got 5 kiwi fruits. We're going to pop them in the blender in a bit, and then we've got half a cup of sunflower oil. So we've got our pre-prepared pans. We've got the loaf pan, we've got some extra muffin pans for our extra, and then we're also going to preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Okay, so we're going to add the baking powder and the salt into the flour, just like so. We're going to sift that together until that combines quite well. Okay, so we're going to get another bowl. We're going to put all our wet ingredients together. So we're going to put in our Greek yogurt with our sugar. We need our 4 eggs. We're also going to add our lime zest, followed by our vanilla paste, the extract. We're going to whisk all that together until we are well combined. Like so. We're going to puree the kiwi fruit, like so. That's good. We're going to pop that into our flour. We're also going to add our wet ingredients into the flour as well. And then we're going to add our sunflower oil. Now we're going to mix all that together until that's combined quite nicely. And then we're going to pop it in our prepared pans, which I'll show you in a minute. Mix all that. Make sure we get all the flour nice and combined there. Don't forget to scrape the bottom of the bowl. Flour gets left there all the time. To the bottom there. Alright, that's looking pretty good. Okay, all combined, all mixed. Okay, now we're going to pop that into our pans. Okay, so now we're going to pop our cake mixture into our pans, just like so. We only want to probably fill that halfway, as it will rise. Make it all nice and flat, a little bit more. Alright, so that looks good. And then we're going to pop the rest into our muffin pans. Okay, I'll just pop a spoonful. Like so. Alright, once we've finished popping all these in, we're going to pop it into the oven, and we'll leave it in the oven for 50 to 60 minutes until lightly golden brown, or until the skewer comes out nice and clean. While we've got the cake in the oven preparing there, we are going to make the lime syrup mixture. So we've got 4 tablespoons of sugar. We're going to pop that into the pan like there. We've got 2 tablespoons of cold water, and then we've got 2 tablespoons of lime juice, freshly squeezed, or in the bottle. You can cheat if you wish. So we're going to pop that in the pan, and we're going to let that dissolve away for about 5 minutes. We're just going to dissolve all the sugar, roughly take about 5 minutes. Okay, so that's our syrup been boiling away for 5 minutes. As you can see, all that has dissolved. So we're going to turn the gas off there, and then we're going to set that aside until our cake is ready. Okay, now we've taken it out of the oven. As you can see, it's all lightly brown. We're going to check to see if it's ready. So I've just got a wooden skewer. We're going to pop it in the middle. Comes out nice and clean. Do it a few times. Always like to double check. Definitely all nice and clean. So that's ready. We're going to let that cool down for 10 minutes. And then we're going to pop on our lime syrup once that's cooled. Okay, now our cake's cooled down for the past 10 minutes. Just going to spoon on our syrup just over the top. We want to get that fully covered. Oh, delicious. Now you can serve it just as it is, or you could probably pop some icing sugar over the top. If more creative, maybe some cream cheese icing. Oh, look at that. Alright, so we're going to cut it, see what we look like on the inside. Nice and soft. Alright, so there we are. And we have got our lime loaf cake and yogurt ready to eat. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching Lisa's Bakery. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you watching the next video.